Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, even though I'm on my personal page. But it is 8:22 a.m. and we are on beside the eye of the hurricane. Let me see if I can show you the damage so far. So we got a fence missing on this side. My Katuk plant is in pieces. Here, oh my God! We're still getting like 70-mile-an-hour winds. Let me see if I can't walk over a little closer so you can see through the screen if I don't get blown away. Oh my God, I can't close the door. So my sunflower plant was like that before the storm hit. I trimmed it back because it was like 10 feet tall and I didn't want it to fly over. But you can see my Katuk plant is in pieces. It's half of it's on the ground. The fence is gone. My cactus plant is on the ground from where it got hit by the fence. 2 petals are gone, but I got them in some water so maybe I can replant them. But yeah, we tried to come out here to fix the fence, and the little piece over here is gone. Like that little piece is gone for that, so we gotta, you know, we can't find it anywhere. But we got some limbs in the yard. That's about it. Oh my gosh. We're still getting some rain. It's not like heavy rain, but we're still getting some rain. I'll take y'all to the front yard so you can see what's going on out there. You give me a second. Yeah, here, hold on, let me click around. Yeah, we don't have any flooding with the pool because we've been draining it. But here's one last look at the backyard before I go into the front yard. Alright, give me 1 second and I'll take you to the front yard. Alright, so we already had some soffit fly off the house. Soffit came off of right back, off of here. Everything else is okay. The neighbor's got a little bit of damage over there. Oh my God, that's a big frog talking. We got some of the shrubbery got damaged. There's a whole bunch of limbs in the street over there. Let me see if I can't walk out over here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of limbs in the yard. I mean, we're still getting high winds, the whole 9 yards. There's a whole bunch of. I'm gonna stand in the middle of the road. There's a big, huge limb down over there beside that car. Yeah, it's the rain's picked up a little bit, but we're supposed to be in this until like, I guess after 1 p.m. Oh no. But yeah, we still have power as of right now, and the internet. I know one of my co-workers, Trevor, he's like in the neighborhood beside us. He does not have power. It's funny. But yeah, our power is buried in the ground along with the internet cables, like the fiber and all that. So I wasn't expecting to lose power or internet or anything like that. But yeah, we're still getting those strong, oh my God, strong winds. Ooh, cold. Go back in the garage. I want to go live on YouTube, but I can't walk around with my laptop, and I can only go live on YouTube on my laptop. So that's why I'm doing it on my Facebook page. But I will download this video and stick it on YouTube, so you can come back and watch it. It'll be on my page as well. But that's why I also went live on my page, because it's easier to it's easier to find it. Oh no, the phone's going right weird. It's wet. But yeah, oh, he's his roof is blowing apart right there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. His roof's coming apart. Oh, he's also soffit over there too, under that little triangle. Dang on. Oh, our neighbor's losing shingles up there at the top. Jeez. But yeah, yeah, I mean, I don't really see any other damage as of right now with anybody else. Just limbs in the road. I got limbs in the yard. Our path forward, that little section of fence is gone. Well, not gone. It fell down. We got the pieces under the shelter. Oh, soffit's flying in the wind. Yeah, that soffit. But yeah. But I'm surprised like nothing hit my truck. I was more worried about something hitting my truck from debris flying around. I was more worried about that tree falling on my truck, but the wind is actually blowing from this way to this way. So you can see like the rain's flying off the roof over there. So I'm exhausted. I barely got any sleep last night because between my phone going off of alerts and the weather radio going off with alerts, it kept everyone up all night. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm ready to go back to bed. That's a big frog. That's making all much noise. He's in my truck somewhere. I don't blame him. He's just trying to escape the weather. Yeah, you can see the shrubbery over there is leaning over. That one over there is leaning over. But yeah, I mean, like little damage over here. Nothing too serious. Just some limbs and some shrubbery and a section of the fence is gone. Yeah. Turn everyone back around. Keep seeing people joining. Glad everyone is safe. Praise God. Yes.